Hello student, myself Shumona from Simi Foundation. Today we all are here to learn about a topic named types of DNA. In the previous video, we all know that what is DNA. So what is DNA? DNA is a deoxyribonucleic acid is a molecule that encoded the genetic instruction used in the development and functioning of all knowing living organisms and many viruses. We all know about that. But today's topic is types of DNA. So let's get started. Basically, there are four types of DNA: aDNA, bDNA, cDNA, and zDNA. First of all, we will learn about aDNA. So let's take this picture. aDNA is right-handed double helix and its base pair along axis 2.4 Armstrong. The upper view of aDNA is diameter 23 Armstrong, which is 2.3 nanometer, and its turn of helix is 24.6 Armstrong. So basically aDNA is a right-handed double helix. Its base pair 2.4 Armstrong and diameter 23 Armstrong. Now come with bDNA. bDNA is also right-handed double helix, base pair along axis 3.4 Armstrong, and the upper view of bDNA is its diameter of 20 Armstrong, which is 2.0 nanometer, and turn of helix 33.2 Armstrong, which is 3.32 nanometer. And now come zDNA. zDNA is left-handed double helix, base pair along axis 3.7 Armstrong, and the upper view of zDNA is a diameter of 18 Armstrong, which is 1.8 nanometer, and turn of helix 45.6 Armstrong, which is 4.56 nanometer. Now come with cDNA. cDNA is right-handed double helix having relatively low humidity, and the upper view of cDNA is presence of certain ions like lithium or magnesium. So in the four types of DNA, aDNA, bDNA, cDNA is right-handed double helix, and the zDNA is only left-handed double helix, and their base pair along axis and the diameter are different. You have to know the difference between these four types and should remember it correctly. Along with the four types of DNA, there are some other DNAs. Let's know about them. First of all, in this slide, you can see there are showing linear DNA. So what is linear DNA? These are those DNA in which both ends are free, present in nucleus of eukaryotic cell. And now circular DNA. Circular DNA is which doesn't have free end. This DNA present in nucleoid region of prokaryotic cell. In some animal like Paramecium, there are two types of DNA found: trophical, which is macro, and genetic, what is microDNA. Now we will know about genetic DNA. Genetic DNA present in micronucleus and transfer from one generation to another generation. And what is trophic DNA? Trophic DNA present in macronucleus and not transformed from one generation to another. So student, in this video we can know about the types of DNA. Along with the four types of DNA, we also know some other types of DNA which is present in some animal. So student, for today that's all. Keep learning and thank you.